Hi. So it's early autumn and your hosta may be turning brown. And if it is, you can start cutting the leaves off. This hosta is actually quite beautiful. The colors are amazing. But there's also this to look at. Not so amazing. But if you look deeper down, there are new leaves. So if you'd like to, you can just leave them and let them die back by themselves, or you can cut the leaf down all the way down to the bottom of the plant. I think I'm going to cut this leaf here. There we go. And that way I'm getting to it before it gets weird and mushy and before it starts attracting snails or slugs. But I love the Halloween colors. Technically, you could also just cut off the gross parts. And maybe nobody will notice. I mean, that's what the bunnies do anyway, right? I like the color so much that I think I'm going to leave most of the leaves, even the imperfect ones, but I'm going to take this one down. And this one. I think I'll go for this one too. And I'm going to grab the last one in the back. Oh, it's such a shame. Look at that pattern. I can't do it. I'm going to leave it. And that is how not to prune your hosta in the fall.